colonnades. This part's confusing. I don't know if this is leading us back out or what it's doing. Looks like there's a picnic area and some porta johns or something here. Let's see what we got. See what this says. Pay station ahead. All visitors must stop. Look at the thorns on this bush. That daggone thing will hurt. Alright guys, this is what I'm doing to my daggone brand new windshield. I got to let this set for 20 minutes. Then I got to take that off. And if I need to, put some more resin in the hole. And then I got another hole right there. 2 spots on brand new windshield. Gotta love it. Just walk down here, guys, while my windshield's curing. See what we got down here. This looks like this might be one of those sinkholes also. Be okay as long as not none of the rest of it sink while I'm standing and me and Max standing on it. Got all this. There's some more back there. We're gonna go back once my windshield gets finished, and it looks like there might be a sign over here. Had to see what it says. It's pretty deep. Come on, Max. Come on, boo-boo. I don't know what this is. It's like a rock. I don't know if that's man-made or if it's shadow. I don't know if it's man-made or if it's part of a rock, because that looks like a rock too. Ooh. Come on, Max. Yep, here we go. Look where the rocks have fell off the side. Fell down in it. I wonder if any type of fish or anything can grow in there or live. It's interesting. Let's walk over here and see what this sign says. There's like a little cave. Come on, Max, you don't want to fall in there. Okay, where'd that sign go? I know I saw a sign. It's warmed up out here some today. Not too bad. I think it's supposed to either be in the 60s or the 70s today. Okay. It's talking about a roadrunner, New Mexico state bird, inhabits this area. It's a member of the cuckoo family. Alright guys, now I'm going to try to remove this. See how this goes. Try not to cut my finger off. Oh, there's one and the stuff just ran all the way down. It told me to put something in there, and I didn't. Oh, let me get ready to catch it. Okay, at least it filled the hole. See if I can pull it down. Hitting 100 as long as I don't cut my finger. All right, there we go. Got that. Now, scrape the excess off. Well, it looks better. Got resin all over my windshield. Get some vinegar and water. Some alcohol. Where's my alcohol? Put some alcohol up here and see if we can get that resin off. Alright, let's wipe it off the windshield wiper. Alright, that's it. Alright, here's another one of the sinkholes. This one has no swimming and no diving. Walk up here and see how deep it looks. Some more rocks that fell off over there. Neat. This here's the area, guys, that we were looking down from up there earlier. The campground. They're building something right there. I'm not sure what they're building. You got a little building right there. I'm not sure what that is either. I'm gonna walk over there though and check it out. In here they got all the picnic tables and they got shelters over them. Looks like they got some volleyball out there. They got restrooms. Just walk over in here and see what they do have over here. I'd like to know what they're building right there. What do you think, Max? What are they building? What do you think they're building? No clue, huh? All right then. Max has no clue of what they're building. And I don't either. So, we're in the same boat. Okay, they got picnic tables under here. Oh yeah, you can can swim here. There's no lifeguard on duty, but you can swim. I guess during the summer this is probably open. And see what we got. Yeah, we got more tables inside there. You got a place right here you can swim. And we were up there earlier. Pretty neat little place. The other ones you can fish in, but this one, there's no fishing, only swimming. Water's pretty clear. Here's part of the, got some fans up there. Pretty cool little place. Building reminds me of Spanish style, maybe. Neat little building made out of these stones. You got a lot of places to get in and out in the sun for sure. It's neat. Looks like they might have a concession stand over there. We'll get over there. Here comes a camper up there on the hill. Let's see, zoom in, see it? That's where we were at earlier. Yep, got some more restrooms here. But it's neat the way the building's built. Let's get a video of the whole building. It goes around here. Into that section. All the way around. So they got plenty of places to get out of the sun in the summertime. So we got showers here. Yep. Got showers here. I'm not sure what that is. But we have campers over here. That may be Wi-Fi. Everybody's camping. And they got, I'm assuming the tent over there, we met the lady and the man down there by the lake fishing. They said they were staying in a tent, so that's probably their tent there. Somebody's got a boat in the water. Let's see what kind. Campers only beyond this point. Yep. Somebody's got a boat. A flat bottom boat. So this way we got lockers. Lockers right here. Then they got codes you can use to open them. Electric. Nice place. Imagine during the summer it's probably full. That area's closed out there. Probably got kayaks and stuff out there. Life jacket, learner station. Docks restricted, $83 fine. No lifeguard. They got an ice machine. This would be a cute little place to come to during the summer also. Maxime's gonna walk this trail. He's tired of sitting in that car. We've been riding a lot. So I'm gonna let him walk. He's tired of being cooped up in that car. So we're gonna check out this here catwalk. I don't know how far it goes. Got some neat little buildings built out here. There's that hill over there in the background. There's some ducks. I don't know if you can see them. Yep, right there. Some water. We got the FJ sitting right there and Mona's van. I don't know what's in that hill over there. Something inside of it. Got that stuff on top, but I'm not sure what it is. Come on, Max. That hill is nice back there in the distance. It's pretty. Water's running here. Running pretty quick. See how fast it's moving? It sounded like down that way where you can't get to, you could hear a lot of rushing water. I don't know if it was water coming up out the ground or it's just like a little waterfall or something. If you look over here, it runs under the bridge here and it's flowing that way. It's moving pretty quick. It looks like it might be pretty deep also. I don't know how deep it is. Max is hitting 100 now. Run, Max, run. Speedy Gonzales. You Speedy Gonzales? Huh? Arriba, arriba. Come on, Speedy. Run, Boogie, run. Run, Boogie. He's getting his exercise.